In ancient Samoan society, justice was not a matter of punishment, but of restoration. It was a system deeply rooted in the values of harmony between families, villages, and individuals. In times of conflict, swift and thoughtful action was taken to bring harmony back to Samoa. At the center of this process stood a sacred tradition, Ifoga. Ifoga meant more than just a simple tradition. It was a public act of humility and restoring harmony. The wrongdoer, accompanied by family and village elders, would kneel before the home of the victim or their kin, often covered by a fine mat, waiting, sometimes for hours, days, for their plea to be acknowledged. Originally reserved for such grave offenses, such as murder, manslaughter, or adultery, Ifoga helped prevent revenge from getting out of control. Its power lay in three vital elements: the offender's sincere remorse, the visible support and accountability offered by their family and communities, and the victim's willingness to forgive. Together, these created the conditions necessary for healing. At its heart, Ifoga was about finding the balance and recognizing the harm done, while also offering a chance for peace. As the Samoan saying goes, meaning an offering burns through forgiveness. True justice and lasting peace were found through that forgiveness.
Kore Ifoga, o se anga whaoro nia e Samoa. E awhia I matarato so ria tūra whono leo lama. Rosa hini man whamaoni, se whamana tomo mele a inga na whaina. E whapitoa mo mwale nei ano masari. Mo sori tūra whono matuia e pēo whosi o tangata, mane whaitauna meo ngare maka. Kore sawa tari atu, e mātua mai na mene kore tari wale, kore tau nisui. E tolu paenga na lango ine le angore Ifoga. Kore sala momu, mane maa sama tangata na sala. Kore ngawha mati o te la inga mene, mane whaamanga mene a inga na whainga. Kore aurare Ifoga, e ta oto e paa lengi, kore sala momu, mane whaamanga longa. I le tui whakirei o whiremu, e pēra no tāua e tana māsani e Samoa, e ngūr tau langa e whamangana. O lona, o se tomo whengas tangata e Samoa moni, o tomo whai e whare nei mea, e bauaro na inga mo, e ha au whia ai, e Samoa, man whamanga, e whai loa mai a, e matawhai o no loto le amo rifo, I le sa I ringo whiremu, Pare nofo whanwhani la kuto Samoa. E au whio, ora au tūore ni a whiawhi, tā la ni a sita. O tū mama wha Samoa, ora ato mwhai atu, ano mwhana o Lumanai Siva pene, e whatino atu, e Ifoga Samoa. Usi lo mai mo.